Happy Kidoodles!
Meow there! I'm Captain Whiskers, your silly cat friend. Today we're going to learn the letters A to G. Let's start our alphabet adventure. Come learn with me.
A is for apple. Say it with me. Apple. B is for ball. Say it with me. Ball.
C is for cat. Say it with me. Cat. That's me. D is for dog. Say it with me. Dog. E is for elephant. Say it with me. Elephant. F is for fish. Say it with me. Fish. Look how beautifully it swims. G is for grapes. Say it with me. Grapes. So juicy. Yeah, we did it, friends! You all were amazing! So, are you ready for our ABC song? Let's go! A is for apple, red and sweet. B is for ball, bounce with your feet. C is for cat, so cool and clever. D is for dog, best fetcher ever. E is for elephant, strong and big. F is for fish who loves to dig. Wait, do fish dig? G is for grapes in a jiggly bunch. I ate too many for lunch. Goodbye, friends! See you in the next episode where we'll learn from H to M. Till then, do the revision properly, my friends. Please like, share, and subscribe the channel for more such fun videos.